Hey guys, welcome to our Tech Power of Mind. My name is Mohit Vashne, and in today's video, I have come with the 3 hiring update. First is coming for Unified companies, second is JDS, and third is Geotep. So all 3 companies are hiring for fresher, college student, and experienced candidate. I will explain you each and everything like what is the selection procedure, how to apply, what is the qualification required. So make sure you watch the video till the end and check out the other hiring also because multiple companies hiring is still ongoing like Good CRM है, Wayfair है, Amazon है, Agoda है. So do check out. Now talking about the first hiring update, it is coming from Unified company. So currently company hiring for management trainee role. Talking about the qualification first. So if you are already passed out in 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24 batch, then all 5 batch eligible for this hiring. And you have done any graduation like BE, BTech, BCA, BSc, BCom, BA, MA or MBA, you are eligible for this hiring. Company has mentioned any graduation or MBA from any branch, you are eligible for this hiring. And currently company hiring for Kolkata location. So if you get selected for this role, then you have to join Unified Kolkata location. And most important point, company have a point for 3 year. Company has mentioned candidate need to provide of 36-month minimum service agreement. So if you are okay with the point, you can apply for this hiring. Talking about the salary package, so company has mentioned if you have done graduation, then you will get approximate 3.6 LP salary per annum. And if you have done MBA or PGDM, then you will get 4.2 LP salary plus incentive. So this is your complete package which will depend upon your education. Now talking about how to apply. So to apply purpose, you have to fill this Google form. You have to enter your email, then first name, address, and other than that all are basic detail you can fill. And if you face any difficulty while filling a form, then please ask your query in comment section or Telegram or Instagram. I will definitely help you. So this is the first hiring update. Talking about the second hiring update, it is coming from Geotep company. So currently company hiring for software engineer intern. And it's an on-site internship. Company has already mentioned on-site. Talking about the qualification, so company has mentioned if you have a degree in computer science branch or IT branch, then you are eligible for this hiring. And plus, you should have knowledge of one programming language. It may be Java, Python, Golang or Scala, any one of them. And apart from programming language, you must have knowledge about SQL also. Company has already mentioned good SQL query skills, our basic level. And company is looking for candidate for the minimum 6-month internship. So if you're okay with the 6 months, you can apply for this hiring. And it's a paid internship. You will get approximate minimum 25,000 per month, which is a minimum amount. You may get approximate 30,000 or 40,000 as well, which will depend upon the company. But the minimum amount is 25,000. We're talking about how to apply. To apply purpose, you have to click on apply now option. And after that, you have to fill all the required detail like upload your CV, then full name and add your links. And after that, there is some basic question also. You can fill and submit your application. And if you get shortlisted for this role, then you will receive online exam invitation. And if you clear the online exam, then there will be a technical round followed by the HR round. And after that, you will get a chance to work with company. So this is the second hiring update. Talking about the last hiring update, that is coming from JDS company. So currently company is hiring for decision analytic associate role. And your job location will be after selection, Pune, Gurgaon and Bengaluru. Currently company hiring for 3 locations. Talking about the qualification, so company has mentioned if you have done bachelor degree or master degree from any discipline like CS, IT, electrical, chemical, civil, mechanical, apart from them also, you are eligible for this hiring. Or whether you are a fresher or you have experience up to 3 years, then also you are eligible for this hiring. Company has mentioned up to 3 years of relevant experience are eligible. And company has mentioned some required skills. So you must have knowledge about one programming language. It may be Java, Python or R language. And along with this, you must have knowledge about database like SQL, Hadoop. So these are some required skills you must own. Now talking about how to apply. So to apply purpose, you have to just click on apply option. And after that, enter your email and accept the checkbox. And slide down, you will find one next option. Just click on that. And after that, one form will open. So you have to fill all the required detail and submit your application. That's it. Your application will submit it. So this is all about this hiring. I hope you understood. And that's all for today. And if you found this video helpful, then please do like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you and goodbye.